Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use a quick action on the Find application to safely eject a USB flash drive on the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive. We can have the flash drive with a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 all the way up to 1 terabyte in size. In this tutorial, we are not focused on the capacity, but in fact focused on how to safely eject on the Find application. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's bring the USB flash drive into the frame. Insert into the Mac computer. Let's just wait for that to open up on screen. There we have it, USB. We can double click on this or go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application, and there we have it, USB on screen. Let's click on this and let's just wait for that to load. It has loaded on screen. If we go to the top right corner of Finder where we have actions, this allows us to perform tasks with the selected item. Click on this and now eject USB, and this will safely eject the USB from the Mac computer. As you can see on screen, ejected. We can now remove the USB flash drive from the Mac computer. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.